So I'm at middle of nowhere in Småland, or actually Skåne, southern Sweden, and we have a huge car collection which is auctioned off for sale. Actually, we have a nice 600 SEL sold in Sweden as new. Well, it's imported from Germany actually, but anyway, see these reverse things. We have a Mercedes. Is this a 30s Mercedes? 230. Oh yeah, this is interesting. This was a Mercedes used in Copenhagen when Denmark was occupied by Germany during Second World War. And then it was apparently sold to some guy in Denmark, and then it ended up in Sweden, but renovated. However, it's somewhat renovated. Apparently the rear seat is original, and I guess I have to move fast here to cover all of the cars. Silver Shadow 280. A lot of S-Class. No 6450 SEL 6.9, which made me a bit disappointed. This is, I mean, look at the shape. It's a 300E. I mean, I still remember this kind of 80s color. Oh, I can't believe he have the extra reflex ramp. But anyway, I'm gonna run through here to have time to cover them all. I'm not that this knowledgeable. Isn't that the Opel? I mean, the condition is mint and drivable on all these cars. Look at this song. Bentley Turbo with some. What kind of color is this? It's kind of changing. Is this original color? No, can't be. DeVille. Yeah, I think it's repainted. De Soto. I want to check out that Turbo a little bit more. PW 850, not CSI, however. I would have changed the steering wheel. American Cruiser. And apparently the cars that are not for sale are behind the curtain. We can take them last. What is this? Kaiser. Wow, Swedish sold. Is this only 114,000 euros? Is the Opel? And Opel. Okay, and the fenced off are the ones that are not for sale. These are not for sale. C70. Horse carriage. .3 turbo CSE. Jaguar. What car is this? I mean, come on, is it a... It's a Tatra. Tata, wow, it's huge. Rear engine Tata. Trabant. Beetle. What's the mileage on this one? I mean, 10,000 euros with 70,000 kilometers mileage. That's a little bit too cheap, I think. And this will be kept, I believe. 780, 262, 264, 244, 164. And these were not for sale, I assume. Can't believe this shape of the cars here is incredible. Tack. And some crazy other cars. I'll just jump in and leave it in with my Ghost, which is not mine. Anyway, amazing collection. I would have bought the Bentley.